Hey, what's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're doing the trade recap on January 18th, and it's Tuesday here. Hope you had a good MLK day and you got some rest and were able to enjoy the day yesterday. So, with today, I'll show you the performance. I'm up green today, up 572 bucks on the day at the moment. So that's not bad. It's all right, in the right direction, and I will gladly take it. Today I had 11 trades, one of which I closed out on was a short position here with HOO. Oh, let's see. Yeah, with our HOUR. And that was just kind of a continuation from last week, just shorting it to the downside. And the rest of them, let's see, 10 trades other than that. And then we had 9 green trades, 2 reds. So performance was pretty good today. Not any huge winners. They were all relatively small, but they were all just kind of stepping in the right direction. So, and here's the intraday performance here to show you what that looks like. Just kind of a gradual stepping uphill. So we'll go ahead and take a look at what I traded. It was BBIG was the main one, and also DATS. I traded that just a little bit later in the day. So BBIG, here we go. On BBIG, this one got to be a little bit frustrating for me. There was a lot of chop going on with it. We got into the zone here where strength came out. We had this huge green candle, went into a halt right here. But it actually opened up and just kind of, crushed downhill a bit. So anyways, I ended up trading it a few times, but they were in zones where I thought it would hopefully break out, and it was just difficult. It hit so many different resistance points so many different times. You had this whole area here at 543, and then there's this whole area at like 530. Just kept, not being able to break past it. And where there was a zone I really struggled with here, it was right in here. And what I saw here was this move that moved so quick, so fast. And I thought this was some serious strength and turned to be kind of a bit of a fake. It rushed to the upside, and I was looking to get in. I just thought to myself that was a huge move. I thought there might be a little bit more continuation off of it. So I started hopping in different share size points, and hopped in right around 525 and kind of accumulating, thinking we'd get another leg up, and we didn't get it. We just got this sell off. So I was holding all the way down into here, just waiting for some kind of a bounce, and we did move up a bit and came right back down, and we just struggled in this area here for quite a while. Then we finally got, I think my average size was about, average price was about 525 or 523 actually, and we ended up ripping past this point here where I could have sold, and I felt like it just didn't move enough, like it had a little bit more in it, and it failed, faked out, and crushed to the downside, and had another bounce. And I was just surprised here. I thought there would have been a little bit more continuation of the sell-off, but we got this bounce, and for that I decided to keep holding, thinking we'd get another break, and we chopped around right in here. Finally, we broke in this area, and I said, okay, I got to dump it. So I actually sold for a bit of a profit, not a ton, but still got profit on it. So I was really struggling with it on this, very choppy. So I didn't like this whole play out here, and it kind of did that all day long. Let me know how you traded it. Did you find that it was pretty choppy? I mean, this chart to me looks, like Chop City, but anyways, huge move after hours, so that's where we're sitting there. We might get some continuation. And what else did I trade? It was DATS. That's DATS. Now this move, or this stock had a bigger move later in the day. That's where I got a little bit more interested, and I didn't want to go chasing it, getting too hard into, but chasing each move. But in this area here, we hit this high here, pulled back, and got this nice bounce back. So I missed part of that, got in towards the top a little bit more, a few scalp trades, And then this whole area here hopped in again, but kind of missing a bit of the move here. But very impressive that, it bounced there, comes all the way back down that point again, and runs even higher. So really impressive. But, problem with this is if you go chasing it up in here, hopefully, you sold and you got a nice little chunk there. But if you held on to it too long, you were there for a big old crash. So I only traded it a few times. What was it? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, four trades on it, and they were all smaller winners. I mean, $21, $10, $21. So even a loser on it. So not much progress on the name, but where I really put in kind of the big money today was on my continuation short with Hour. This was a play from last week. So let me see. Give me 1 second here. Okay, so we got Hour pulled up here, and on this one, yes, I traded it on, what was it, Friday? Yeah, last week. And we had a huge move on Hour, and I want to pull up the yearly on this because, this is showing kind of some history here, showing some moves. We had big spikes in the past when it initially opened up, and it's been on a downtrend since then. And so I thought, you know what? On that day we made that spike up on Friday, I want to hop in there and too far. Hop in this. I did trade it to the shorts or to the long side at one point, and it didn't work out for me. So I figured I'd go in for a short and started shorting it. And so I held that from Friday. I sold, I think like about half the position on Friday, and then today I sold the rest down in here. So I got a little bit more profit on it. And that was a good, decent trade. So I'm glad I made that short on Hour. And that really wrapped it up for me for today. $572. I'm happy with that. And it's not the biggest, it's 572. So that's where I'm sitting as of now. Hopefully we can finish the week with all green days and nice, strong momentum. But that's really all I got for you today. Let me know how you traded today. Love hearing from you guys. Make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe if you like these recaps and you're following along for the trading journey here. But that's it. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.